The Excel selection tools in the SpatialXL ribbon allow you to zoom and highlight a single row or multiple rows of data in your spreadsheet and display these on the map. Firstly, the Zoom Selected button allows you to zoom to the location of your selected rows. As an example, we'll zoom to the Family Tuck Shop, and we can do this by either selecting the row or clicking on a single cell in the row of data, and then clicking Zoom Selected. This will zoom us to the location of this row, and if we click the Highlight Selection button, it will highlight this record for us on the map. We can zoom into this location, and we'll see here our labels are on and displaying the Family Tuck Shop. And we can then use the Clear All Highlights button to clear this selection from our map. To zoom and highlight selected rows at the same time, we can click on the Zoom and Highlight button, and for this example we'll select multiple rows. So once we've selected these rows, we can then click Zoom and Highlight, and you'll see the map will update to display the selected records and zoom to the extent as well. To add or remove rows to our current selection, we can use the Add and Remove selection tools here. Firstly, as an example, we'll add a couple of rows and then click Add Selection to Highlights, and the map will update to display your new selection. In the same way, we can remove selected rows by selecting them in the spreadsheet and then clicking Remove Selection from Highlights, and the map will again update. To clear our selection, we can again click the Clear All Highlights button. To set an automated select and zoom as you click on a row in your spreadsheet, you can tick on the Auto Select and Auto Zoom buttons here. As you then select a row in the spreadsheet, you'll see that the map will automatically update to zoom to the location and select that point on the map. And you can again do this for multiple rows in your spreadsheet or single rows as required. To switch this off, we can then tick off the Auto Select and Auto Zoom in our SpatialXL ribbon.